Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. I wanted to do a quick review video on the Vivo Nex 3. As you can see, the waterfall display on this phone. Vivo is claiming it to be a 99.6 screen to body ratio display, and as you can see, they call it waterfall display for a reason, because it just blends in the phone. And let's talk about cameras. So the primary camera is 64 megapixel camera, and the second one is 13 megapixel telephoto camera with optical zoom and ultra wide angle, and the third one is 13 megapixel as well. And I have to say, the camera module looks really cool. This round shape looks really cool. And let's talk about the selfie camera. So it's motorized pop-up 16 megapixel camera with LCD flash. So for me, I don't use LCD flash often, but for some people it will be useful for taking selfies and stuff like that. So the motorized pop-up mechanism is really cool and kind of makes a really cool sound, but it's more like a software thing, not really the hardware, to be honest. So as you can see, it literally blends in the background image. The screen is, I have to say, really good. So this phone runs on Android version 9.0, and the phone is powered by octa-core. It runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 plus chipset, so there shouldn't be any problem with the games. So all big fans of PUBG, there's nothing to worry about with this kind of power. And yeah, so there shouldn't be any lags in loading images and stuff like that, so you can do your multiple tasking very easily. So this one I'm using is currently 128 GB, but I think you can get more than 200 GB on this one with 5G supported as well. And a good thing with this one is you can connect two Wi-Fi at once, so you you can kind of boost your upload speed, I guess. So you're just gonna make your phone faster in terms of using internet and YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I don't know. The speakers, I have to say, I'm not that happy with the speaker, because this one only has one bottom firing speaker, not like other flagship phones I've seen, like from Samsung. They use dual speakers and support Dolby Atmos. I have to say that sound really nice, but not on this one, guys. Just one speaker, and that is a little let down for me, because these days it's like a trend with the dual speakers, surround sound. So yeah, a little disappointed, but it's okay. And you can see you have so much going on in this one, and the dark mode is really awesome. If you turn on the dark mode, it goes everywhere, like in Instagram, on Facebook. I think it's on Facebook as well. On Play Store, as you saw, it goes really dark and really nice. And the plus point is it saves a lot of battery. The battery is not going to be a great issue on this one, because this phone is currently have a 4000 4500 milliamp hour battery. So um, I don't think you really need a dark mode on this, but for saving battery. But it looks cool. The video watching experience is really good because of the beautiful screen. The 99.6 screen to body ratio is really awesome. As you can see, watching movies, it's really fun on this. But for me, I have to say, when I watch movies, I rather use headphones with this one because just have one bottom firing speaker. Nonetheless, this one comes with headphone jack. Nowadays, it's really rare for us to see a headphone jack on any phone. So it's nice from Vivo. They included a headphone jack on this one. Um, yeah, like I said, the screen is really beautiful. As you can see, I've changed the wallpaper so you have a better look on the screen. Um, so yeah, Facebook. Yeah, like I said, the Facebook also runs on dark mode and looks really nice. This is the first one for me. First time I'm using a dark mode on Facebook. I haven't been using on any other smartphones that it don't support. If you turn on the dark mode, it just the settings turn to dark mode, not anything else like Facebook and Play Store, Instagram, like that. And I'm a huge fan of Instagram and Facebook. I use them a lot, so I have to say it drains my battery a lot. So it's nice from Vivo to make everything dark when you turn on the dark mode. So yeah, it's nice from Vivo. Yeah, this is the thing that this screen is really awesome. uh, you can hardly see the side bells, but there is a top chin and bottom chin. The bottom chin you can notice, but the top chin is completely hidden because of the nice pop-up camera. And that was it, my friends. If you like this video, please make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel.